Hi, trader, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our channel. I'm Samuel Ngon, and I'm happy to be here once more, trader. It's been a while. We don't have a video, but today is the day. We're happy to be here. We're live, and we're going to talk about trading. So, as you know, trader, the last video we posted, we're talking about new things we included in our trading arsenal. We're talking about the forex trading, which is very, very, very important. And we're going to talk today about it, and we're going to have privilege to analyze trade, and we're going to talk about the reason why we're analyzing. So, as I was talking last time about my schedule, the way I'm going to start trading right now, I was saying that for those who don't have time and maybe money, forex is good things for you because, first of all, it doesn't require a lot of money to start trading forex, and it doesn't require you to be there uh, 9:30 like the stock, because the stock requires you to be there when market open, Monday to Friday, 9:30 to 4. Those are official, you know, official time for the market, the Wall Street. But forex is global, the global market, financial market. So uh, that doesn't require you to be there. You can, arrange your own personal schedule to trade, whatever you want, because it's 24 hours a day from uh, Sunday, 5 p.m. Eastern Time till another Friday, 5 p.m. So today, for example, is Sunday here. Uh, I'm sitting here. The market opened at 5 p.m. That is Australian market already open, and we're going to, overlap, by the Tokyo market as well. So this is the opportunity we can benefit from. Today here, I'm going to talk about, how I'm taking trade, because listen, to be profitable in any kind of trading, you will need uh, some kind of strategy. The strategy is what? The strategy is rules you're going to implement yourself in order to take a trade. From since trading differ from stock market to the future to the option, the cryptocurrencies, even the forex, those are different kind of trading, and you have to master them. Each one have its particularity. So you have to know which, how can I say, uh, which strategy you're going to apply on this kind of trading. You will never trade all those, market the same thing, or, how can I say, the same manner. You need to learn and study how each market behaves so that you can come out with a strategy which you're going to implement. So that is what we're going to do now. I started trading forex a couple of months ago. Uh, I'm still looking for the best strategy I can use to, to make money in the market. And when you're still be in that phase, you need to, uh, you know, be slow. You need to know which quantity you're going to take and how you're going to, confront the market, because you're still in the learning process. So before I keep going to what I was about to say here, I wanted to say that this video is particularly for. I wanted to make a video today in French, but um, there were some interruption and some certain things which didn't allow me to do that. But I don't want to make video, you know, uh, both French and English right now, but I can select to do it, the video in English, and maybe tomorrow I will try to translate the same video in French. Maybe I might just emphasize it after this recording. But let's see. So I'm sorry for French people, but today, right now, I'm doing, you know, I'm uh, recording this video in English. So I was saying that today we're going to see how I'm going to analyze trade. Usually analyze them before I take the trade. And I wanted also to to let you know that trading is difficult, especially for beginners. If you just begin trading, you gotta take it easy. You gotta start small. Small. Don't come in the market with the idea that you're going to make money. Come to the market with the idea that you're coming to learn on the field you don't know. And when you don't know any field, you gotta start small. Don't be eager or to make money quick. Trading is not, you know, making money quick. Because if you come to make money quick here, you're going to lose all your your money. So for that reason, you need to learn how to approach the market. Having education is the best key. You will never ever be successful in any endeavor in this world without education. That is why we recommend you guys to look for education, look for mentor, buy courses, then you will learn. I'm not asking you to learn from me, because I'm learning also from other people. So maybe it depends. If you don't have money, you can grab some knowledge from what I'm giving you guys here, some tips. So today, I wanted to draw attention first of all on the Bitcoin. You know, this last time they're talking about Bitcoin everywhere. This is the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoins are heading on $100,000. You know, so you can see that maybe in less than a week, Bitcoin will get there. You can see here we have a daily chart. The language I'm going to use here is not particularly for the beginner. Language is mostly for intermediate trader. No, because I will use some language, if you're not familiar with, it's gotta be difficult for you to understand. I'm sorry for beginner people, but people has questions about what I'm saying, they might comment down, you know. And I also encourage people who hasn't subscribed to our channel to go ahead and subscribe to our channel so that we might have new video, they might get them as well. So Bitcoin, as you can see here, this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. Look, after this break, Bitcoin break here at 720,000, you know, I mean 73,000, Yes, Bitcoin break at 73,000, and you can see that, seeing that time, never pull back. Bitcoin have been going up to up to up. If you enter in this position here, you could have made a lot of money on Bitcoin. It shows that it's very, very important to follow the trend. You can see how Bitcoin have been going up and up and up and up, and it keep going, as you can see here. So this is a very nice heading on Bitcoin. Yep, very, very nice. So you can see the monthly Bitcoin. You're going to see that since 1 month, you see the monthly chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin have been going since 1 month. This represents 1 month of trading. Since when it broke here, it keep going until it's heading to 100,000. This is a good move, weekly as well. As you can see here, we have three candle green, you know, three green candle on Bitcoin. This is a very nice move. So, yeah, it's a very nice move for Bitcoin. Yeah. So this is something, very, very impressive. But I don't trade Bitcoin at this point. Yes, I don't want to trade it at this point because not that I don't have a strategy on it, but because I don't want to. Since I started, Bitcoin is very, very sharp, volatile as well. I don't want to start trading or learning forex with something volatile because if imagine if you take a wrong, side. Let's say you don't follow you enter Bitcoin at this point, it reverse with you, you're gonna lose a lot of money. So you have to trade this kind of ticker when you're already comfortable. That's the reason why I don't trade Bitcoin for this at this point. But I'm gonna trade it. I'm gonna trade Bitcoin. But today, let's see forex. Let's talk about forex. You know, how does forex work? Moved. I'm not here to explain to you those who doesn't know forex. You know, uh, forex is the change of currencies. For example, you go to a different country. You know, let's say you live in US. You want to go to Japan. You will need Japanese yen when you get there. You're going to switch your dollar to Japanese yen, and then that is what they call forex. And sometimes when you switch there, and now when you want to come back here, you will switch it again to the dollars. You will see that the fluctuation, you might lose money or you might make money. So that is why they put it on the global market. People buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell and buy. So that is what we're doing here. And each person has the brokerage account or the third party who going to help you to do those transactions. So, but the difference between forex and the stock market, the stock, let's say you buy shares. It's a matter of buying shares. The share might go down, up, value. But the forex, it need a pair. Always move two. You know, for example, when you see crypto, the Bitcoin here in cryptocurrency, Bitcoin now we have Bitcoin versus US dollars. That is how we see here. Bitcoin versus the US dollars. US dollars red, Bitcoin's green. So they're going. Now, if you buy Bitcoin, you can buy in green. Now, if you want to short with the dollars, you say, okay, dollar will going up. Now you're going to short. So that is how it works. Dollar go down. We short it. Now you buy Bitcoin, you gotta go up. If Bitcoin will go down, now you're gonna lose. For those who doesn't know exactly, they can watch some video in YouTube, searching for forex. Today, we're going to analyze some trade, how to approach the forex market. Let me tell you, as I told you at the beginning, I told you that each market is different because the way you approach, let's say, future or option or the stock, they are different from what you can approach, forex. Forex, particularly, most of the time are analysis from the previous, what happened, in a couple of years or month, or the way the chart is going. It's important to check and analyze your trade before you take it. And the analysis must be done in the high time frame, particularly. But most of the people, they day trade forex is good, but most of the time uh, it's important to analyze with a bigger time frame. And in the market, we have yearly, monthly, weekly, daily, you know, and now and so on and so forth. You go down to 1 minute. So how do I analyze my trade before I jump on it? That is what we're going to see. So me particularly, before I take a trade, I have to do what we call top-down analysis. And those top-down analysis, I, I do them by using the biggest time frame. Okay, let's check a ticker and which I'm going to show interest on it today because the market already opened. You know, Sydney opened at 5 p.m. Eastern US. So I'm going to see which trade I'm at show interest today. And here I'm this trade on this is Australia, New Zealand. Australia, New Zealand here, ladies and gentlemen, let's see where this trade is heading. Australia, New Zealand here, as you can see that the chart is green. The monthly chart here is green. Okay, it means what? It means that we are in the uptrend from 1 month. From here to here is the monthly chart. We are in the uptrend because the first month was green, the second month was green, and now we go to the third month, green candle. We already have 3 green candle, which means 3 months of green candle. So what should we do here right now? When I zoom in the trade, I see the story, the history of this chart. I'm going to change probably the software and see this in the big picture. But I can by zooming in and out, I can just directly say that I don't want to show interest on this ticker. Why? Because I see the rejection here on this area. You see a lot of rejection. You know, the ticker came here, you know, and went down. So I don't want to show this pair I was talking about. I don't want to show interest on this pair, Australia, New Zealand. Yeah, because the pair here, when you see it came here, is already on the resistance side. So I don't know what it might do here. Maybe it might reverse like the other time. You know, we have a lot of reversal on this pair here before. So based of the history of this, I can say that I don't want to involve on this one. I can search for another one. You know, yes, I prefer searching for another one. Let's see. Are we back there, traders? Okay. So that was the first pair I was talking about. Let's go to the second pair. This is the second pair here. This is a Euro Australia. Euro Australia here as well. We see that we are in the downside from the monthly. So since 1 month, this pair have been coming down. You know, and when I look at here, I see that we are now on the stop, you know, the support. You know, we are here in the support because you can see that we're having a big, you know, bearing and engulfing candle at this point. So, and still this one, I don't want to show interest on it because we are already on the support with this big, huge, very engulfing candle. So let's go now to the third ticker. This is uh, the Chinese and Japanese yens. Let's see here. We also see that since 1 month here we are on the, we are on the red candle. 1 month here we are in the red candle, and when we check it, we see that we are on the uptrend. We have been since how many, maybe more than a year. This pair have been uptrend, going up and up and up and up. So we are now on the uptrend. But this is just some kind of retracement, like we saw here, the first retracement, second retracement. Though this is just a retracement, in my personal opinion. So this retracement might not last too long, and it might just change, as you can see here. This is the weekly candles. You see that the weekly candles, it came 1 week, 2, 2, 3, 4. Now it's getting green now. So who knows? Maybe it's taking to go upside and keep going and break. When you look at it like this, maybe it would just this one might just turn upside and keep going. Yeah. So this one as well. This trade on the upside, the uptrend. If somebody has shown interest on this trade, if I probably take it for the long and place the stop at this point. But the stop is too far. But other people, let's say you go to the daily. Okay, you're here in the daily. You have been here on the high and high low. Okay, right, and now it start now higher, lower and low high, lower and low high, lower and low high. Who knows what this part going to do here? Maybe it might go to lower, to higher, lower. Maybe we might have another low at this point because we have double bottom here. This point. So this ticker, this pair as well, I don't want to show interest on it as well at this point. I'm not showing any interest on this pair as well. Let's now check US CAD, US Canada here. As you can see, US Canada as well. Our monthly chart show that US Canada has been on the uptrend. Uptrend here, and the monthly, and the weekly show the consolidation. We have a big consolidation here from this point. Let me see. Okay, this one and this one. This is the zone consolidation. But anyway, people might seize opportunity at this point to make some money here. Between this, the big consolidation, you can call it like that, because the range comes from 1.20 to 1.40 something. This is a big consolidation, and people can, see this opportunity to profit here, which is not bad. But to me, I don't really want to show interest here because I already have those resistance side at this point. So I don't know what it might do, next one. So let's check another pair here, ladies and gentlemen, and see. Let me check another pair. Okay, I was talking about Euro, US card here, US Canada. Let's see Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen here are also in the uptrend, and we have this retracement since 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, and now the fourth month came with a very bullish engulfing candle here, and now followed by this red candle which is coming down, and you see how we're giving this dirty the rejection. Probably we'll have another one keep going up. So this one still on the retracement, I might stay away from it, say that I'm going to look for a trade on that one. Let's check now also Euro US. Euro US here. Okay. This is another one, another pair here. US Euro US. What happened in this one? We can see that we have also a big bearish and engulfing candle at this point. Let me go to this is the monthly chart, and this in what is interesting in this monthly chart is that we have a break down at this point. Yes, we break down here, and we have a rejection. We have a rejection, on the support, and this support, when it break here, this support become resistance, and now it's coming down. It break the resistance again. It's still at this point. Let me turn now to the weekly chart. You can see here in the weekly chart, things start a little bit more interesting, because you might see a little bit clear. You see here how, let me change this to, we're talking about Euro USD. Euro USD. Let me see here. Euro USD. Okay, this is it. Euro USD. Let me widen it here, ladies and gentlemen. Euro USD. This is the weekly chart. This is not Euro USD. Sorry about that. Let me change Euro USD. Euro USD has located. Euro USD. I see here. Okay. Euro cut here. Euro. Sometimes it's a little bit, tricky to find a pair. I see Euro New Zealand here. Euro USD here. All right. Okay. Now you can see here a little bit clear. I can also widen it for you guys to. Let me see. I can widen it properly. All right. You can see here, ladies and gentlemen. You see, this is a weekly chart. So one candle here represents 1 week. How can we trade here? Let me see. Let me see here, ladies and gentlemen. I need to check because I need to place a horizontal I need my horizontal bar here. Oh, okay. Horizontal bar here. Okay. Look at here, ladies and gentlemen. We have one area here of support. This is one support area, solid one. And let me clone it and see. We have a second one here. This is another area of big resistance. And we have another one here. Yeah, this is also another big area of resistance here. But like I was saying, I said that we broke this support at this point and we have a rejection. Okay, if we check the past, if we check the past year, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to see that these same things happened here before. It happened here before. We have break down at this point and the rejection this point, and now we head up. Likewise here. So we might probably have the same thing at this point. If you zoom it here, you're going to notice that we also have, it came here to this point and turn around. And that is exactly, if you zoom it, if you zoom here, you're going to notice that we're already in the green candle. This is a small green candle. So what should we expect, ladies and gentlemen? Maybe we might expect the upside. We might expect the upside. So normally we might have the long here and place our stop at the bottom at this point. Probably that is something I probably might be tempted to do. Take here long and place my stop at this uh, tail, this tail of rejection. I place my stop, how can I say? My stop at this point, because it's very, very important to place the stop on the market. So that is what I'm probably going to do. I'm interested in this trade because I see the history of this trade from maybe 2 or 3 years. 3 years he had been doing that. We have just one broke. He broke here once. So when he broke, he turned around and start doing this, from this channel, up and down, up and down, up and down. So what are we going to expect now? I'm going to expect the reversal of this candle, of the green. So you might enter here and place your stop at the bottom of this candle, of this tail, which is very, very important. Probably that is something I'm interested to do today, and see what's going to be the outcome of my trade. All right. So that is the one candidate I have here. I'm going to put it in my watch list, and we will see. My candidate, first candidate is a euro. I'm gonna write it down because I have my book here. Book notes. I have a euro versus US dollars. Okay. Okay. Great. Great. Let's see now. Okay, let's go back now to our uh, the other. Let's look at another candidate here. So I was saying that this one, I might go long here, you know, long from here, and place my stop at this point. Yes, if I go long and place my stop here, in case it reverse, now I will be able to get out if it doesn't, if it hit my stop. All right, that was Euro USD. Let's go to Great Britain, US. Let's see also what's going on here, ladies and gentlemen. So this is the weekly chart. This is the monthly one. In the monthly chart, we see that we have two uh, bearish engulfing candle, but we are under support here. So, and we have been in the, you know, in the uptrend, a little bit uptrend, and now we came here, we did this retracement for 2 months. I've been retracing for 2 months. So we are now on the support approximately. So that one, I don't want to mess with it, you know. I prefer staying away. Likewise, this one euro Great Britain also is already on the support side, and I also want to stay away from it. Let's see US Japanese here. US Japanese is going to, we have been in the uptrend, for 1 month. It went up and I started retracing. So let's see where it's headed, but we know that this is the final target. We know that this is the target here. Target here, the all-time high, that is the target. But when is it going to hit there? We don't know. Let me go to the weekly. You can see the weekly here. And last week, it didn't do much. Open here, went up, it went down and went up. I came back in decision in the middle. So it did the morning star. We don't yet know. It hasn't formed completely. And you can see here on the daily how it's trying to climb a little bit, but it's still in confusion. So we need to wait and see. Yeah, we need to wait and see. This is not something we have to jump on. So trader, I can see that I just have one candidate, which I can place the trade today here. And that is how I used to do my analysis when I want to take a trade. I do the analysis like this to see which trade I might take. And based off my analysis, I take a trade. This is a strategy, Each person have his own. My own strategy is based off my schedule because I don't have a lot of time to spend on the screen like this. I have my other job, that is why I need to take a trade, which I'm going to spend time on. It's not getting in and out quickly, but it's getting in maybe 1 day or 2 days, I get out. That is why I'm going to study in the small time frame. It was what? It was Euro US. I'm going to study properly to see where gonna be my entry point, because that is the only pair I can show interest today. So, ladies and gentlemen, this have been, very nice for me. The time I spent here analyzing this despair, you too can do the same, or maybe you have a different strategy to approach the market. Remember, you need a strategy. You need a couple of rules how you can trade, can approach the market. Otherwise, it will gotta be difficult for you to even believe that what you're doing might be true. So this was all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I really, really appreciate your time, especially those who watch our video. And we also encourage you to sign or to subscribe to our channel and match the last thumbs up. If you like our video, and we'll see you next time for another analysis like the one we did today. We wish you good morning, good afternoon, good evening, why not good night. See you. Bye.